Welcome to my channel. Today, let's watch heart-stealing Cineraria. Cineraria is a popular ornamental flowering plant admired for its bright, daisy-like blooms and lush green foliage. It belongs to the Asteraceae family. It is mainly grown as a winter and early spring flowering plant, especially in gardens, pots, and indoor displays. The plant is native to the Canary Islands and thrives in cool, mild climates. It grows as a compact, bushy plant with soft, heart shaped leaves that are slightly fuzzy. The flowers appear in clusters and come in striking shades of blue, purple, pink, red, magenta, and white, often with contrasting eye colors at the center. Because of its vivid color range, Cineraria is widely used for decorative purposes during flower shows and festive seasons. It prefers well-drained, fertile soil rich in organic matter. It grows best in partial shade as direct hot sunlight can damage the leaves and reduce flowering. The plant requires regular watering, but waterlogging should be avoided. A cool temperature between 15 to 20 degrees is ideal for healthy growth and prolonged blooming. Light feeding with a balanced liquid fertilizer encourages abundant flowers. Propagation is usually done through seeds which are sown in late summer or early autumn. Flowering typically begins in winter and continues into early spring. Cineraria is sensitive to heat and pests like aphids and spider mites, so good air circulation and timely care are important. Overall, Cineraria is valued for its colorful blooms, compact habit, and suitability for pots and borders, making it a favorite among gardeners. These flowers look fabulous. I hope you liked watching these flowers. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.